All right, I put a few things up there just to kind of give you an idea of what it might look like. And it is going to be Christmas soon, so I had to put Santa up there. But this would be a nice bookshelf or however you want to display your stuff. Really nice. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Rustic ladder shelf 4-tier bookshelf. This is how it comes to you. I had absolutely no issues with the installation. It was very easy. All right, this Rustic ladder shelf is now complete and it looks awesome. This installation was really easy. It took maybe 20 minutes, extremely easy to put together. Okay, let me try to give you a close-up. Now, even though that looks like real wood, it's actually the engineered wood. It's very solid. It looks really nice, looks rustic. And the frame appears to be powder coated. I don't see any imperfections in the frame or the wood itself. This has a lot of room. I think it would look pretty good, pretty nice in any room in your home. Let's do a real world measurement. So it is 54.5 inches tall. The shelf up here at the top is about 10 inches. The deepest that it's going to be at the bottom is going to be 13.5 inches. Now I will say this, it's solid. It's got some weight to it, which that's a good thing. I think this thing will probably support anything that you want to put on it, but yeah, it's got some weight and it's solid. All right, I put a few things up there just to kind of give you an idea of what it might look like, and it is going to be Christmas soon, so I had to put Santa up there. But this would be a nice bookshelf or however you want to display your stuff. Really nice. Literally can put it in any room of your home, and I think it would look just fantastic. So if you're looking at this shelf, I hope you found this video helpful.